Jordanov, e-book The Deep.
Continuité d'Homp.
Ipanixol.
Temporary bottom, reversal.
Not paying.
Point pit and pay un tabule flag. Put him to sleep. Load the Korea food.
Is awake.
Make him think it's the bottom. Drop off the volume. Dump it again. Push it sideways.
Histoire grossirche.
Print 100 million Ether when it goes to sleep. 10 point pit.
Is awake.
Load a deep.
E-book The Deep.
Sideways until he sleeps, then crash with the exact same Korea fold. Get Vitalik on the lane. Point pattern for 2 hours and then wake him up.
Okay.
Is awake.
Load the flip on in trade.
If good at what?
Crash it.
It fake cookie.
What is going on, guys? What is going on? So today I wanted to talk about Bitcoin, and I'm seeing online, people losing money on Bitcoin and whatever. It's been going on for a while, but what baffles me is that people are still holding on to Bitcoin, and I want to know why. Why are people still holding Bitcoin? And I'm not asking this question because I disagree that Bitcoin might go up tomorrow, next month, next year. No, the reason why I'm asking is because the most answer that I get is because they believe that Bitcoin is the future of money. Is it the future of money right now? No. So wherever Bitcoin price is at right now, people shouldn't be surprised. If it was the future of money, yes, I agree, the price would be somewhere way different, But anyway, let's get into it, guys. Bitcoin is a financial instrument, trading on the financial markets. Now, I see a lot of guys, online be like, nah, just hodl, man. Forget all this technical analysis shit and whatever. For as long as you can go onto your broker, open up a chart, place your money, with that broker in exchange to buy a financial instrument, whether that's Bitcoin or Ethereum or in Forex, maybe Euro USD, you are trading, my friend. That's the facts. You are trading. I don't know which information you're getting your stuff from, but that is called trading. Hodling for us in trading is nothing but buying or selling without a stop loss. That's all it is. People trying to be fancy by switching the D and the L and call it hodling. Man, it's holding. You are holding for dear life. That's what y'all are doing. So I just really don't get it, guys, And people want to say that they're investing in Bitcoin. No. There's a difference between investing in something and then putting your money into something and just gambling. This is why Bitcoin is not an investment. Usually investments are things that people create in terms of projects, companies. They're creating stuff for the masses, and these things are usually managed and distributed amongst managers, CEOs, and they're provided to the people in terms of products and services. Now, these managers and CEOs, they, at the end of the year, they give their financial reports, they give how much of a return on investment, that service or product is yielding for the investors, and usually investments do not shoot up as high or don't shoot up as quick as Bitcoin does. That's why Bitcoin is a speculative instrument. It's a speculative investment. So people are getting confused because you can't say, Bitcoin is an investment, because Bitcoin doesn't have those fundamental things that makes up a pure investment that just gives the investors 6 or 10% every year. It doesn't do that. Bitcoin does its own thing. It doesn't want no managers, man. So stop trying to call it that kind of an investment, because it's not. You don't see no CEOs, having a meeting saying, oh, Bitcoin, it's doing this and that, the financial earnings of Bitcoin is this. No, it's not doing that. That's why Bitcoin, it reminds me of just the same as penny stocks. Penny stocks are low cap stocks that are trading on the Nasdaq. And the reason why they're low cap stocks is because, well, usually the services that they provide is pretty shitty or subpar. I'm not saying Bitcoin use case or utility is crap, but it hasn't proved itself yet. I mean, if we just look at Bitcoin right now, let's go to the daily. If we just see where Bitcoin started running up, right? I mean, you can go down here. I know a lot of people who were buying Bitcoin down here and they made returns. But this run up here, that is not a growth chart of a steady investment, such as, your Fortune 500 companies. This is not you won't find a chart like this. It's always a gradual chart going up and down, up and down, and up and down. So I don't know why people keep saying that they're investing in whatever, it's got a use case. They keep buying all these coins saying that, oh man, this thing's got a use case, it's got a utility. I listen to the Hodge twins all the time. I mean, these guys, they really, really make me laugh. But, in terms of, taking their advice, I wouldn't bet on their advice, guys. I say stick to their comedy. Listen to what they are saying, and just have fun with it. But in terms of literally taking the hodling advice, thinking that just because it's got a utility here and whatever, listen, let me give you all an example, right? Just because something's got a utility or a use case doesn't mean that the price of that service or use case needs to go up. Just because Ethereum is doing XYZ, it means that the price has to go up. Let me tell you this, if it has such a good use case, why isn't my neighbor Mary Sue, using that use case right now? You know what I mean? Why isn't the masses right now using that use case or that utility? It's because the people are promising that it's going to do this, it's going to do that. It hasn't happened yet, but people are buying in early thinking that it's going to happen. And in most times than not, when these things go out and, it goes out to the masses and it's being sold and whatever, they usually don't do as expected, and then the investors are, they're trapped in this investment, holding and hoping for the best. And that's what people are doing. I really don't get it, guys. You can't base off your investment just because of some news that, Bitcoin has done this, Bitcoin has done that. How many times have people made money just off, reading off the news? I mean, this is nothing new, guys. It is nothing new. We've seen this type of, activity before in other financial markets. Bitcoin is no different. It is a speculative investment. It's just like a penny stock. Go look at some penny stock charts and you'll see what I mean. There's a lot of charts that do that run up, but you're not going to invest in this thing because you just believe that they're bad companies. But when it comes to Bitcoin, everybody thinks that they're great companies. So that's what I mean, guys. I mean, let me give you guys an example. You guys could have, a monkey could have made money here, guys. People could have invested money here, and here. You could have made money. But my question is, you've got to make money, repeatedly. You cash out here, you buy a Lambo, what's next? You're going to take that money and then, the money that you've got left, you're going to try and do what you did again. Okay, cool. You're going to buy here, gone, money gone. You're going to do that here, money gone. So that's what I mean, guys. If you don't learn how to do technical analysis or fundamental analysis, you're not going to win in this game. Because news is not doing anything for you guys. How many times have you heard these altcoins are doing this and doing that, but they're all trading sideways right now? They're all trading sideways. It's not about the news, guys. It's not about the news. Other factors are driving price up and down. If news was the factor, this thing wouldn't be so down. So I just don't understand, guys. I just don't understand. Please, guys, just stop this gambling thing. You know, it's just like BitConnect. People thought BitConnect was going to change their lives. You're giving somebody else your money without researching, you know, what are they all about and so forth. People just believed what BitConnect said to them. And it's the same thing here. You know, like I said, Bitcoin might start going up tomorrow or next month. But my question is, when it goes up, is your plan to cash out? Is that when it goes up and then you're going to buy a Lambo, and then what's next? Because the markets go up and down. The people who make money in the financial markets know how to make money when it goes up and when it goes down. Not just by hodling. Come on, guys, get real, man. Get real, bruh. Nah. Oh, man, but the Winklevoss twins, those are Bitcoin. Where are those guys now? Where are they now? Nowhere, man. Nowhere. I'm not gonna say they're broke or whatever, but all I can say is that they can't spend Bitcoin, you know, money the way they used to. That's all I'm saying, you know. So yeah, man, guys, just do your own research, man. Like, it's getting pretty ridiculous. Like, that was just my little rant on this whole Bitcoin thing. And yeah, guys, like, stop gambling, yo. Stop trying to get rich quick. You can't expect to go into the financial markets, put your money into the financial markets without knowing basic technical and fundamental analysis. It's not gonna happen. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.